Hey, what's up you guys? Breezy here because a brand new video for today. And do you have a webcam that looks kind of crap? Like, seriously, like, kind of crap. Well, I figured out a way to make your webcam go from, like, disgusting to making it look like possibly a DSLR camera, possibly a GoPro, possibly just another camera that's not a webcam. Making it look amazing. So I use a Logitech C920, and I'm gonna be honest, it looks terrible. Alright, it looks terrible, horrible, honest opinions. Okay? So today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to make it look 1,000 times better. Alright, so the number one thing that you guys need for your webcams is lighting. Lighting. Lights. Okay? You need lights to make it look better. Obviously, webcams don't look good in low lighting. So by buying lights, you are making it look better already, okay? So a webcam, so how can I explain this? So inside of a camera, there is this little mirror, like thing, this little reflective mirror piece inside of the camera. So a webcam's is probably like literally super small, like maybe like the size of a penny or probably smaller than that. Where a DSLR camera has like a big face, or something like this, maybe like the size of this. All right, that was probably a bad example, but just know inside this little webcam has a thing that is about this small to reflect anything, and that clearly is not a lot of space. Whereas a DSLR camera or a regular camera has like kind of a big space. Alright? So you do need lights, because lights are what's going to light up your face. I would say get lights for your face first. In my last video, I talked about lights that you guys can purchase on Amazon for $33. I can have a link down below. They're currently the lights lighting up my face right now. So yeah, let's hop onto the computer and I will show you guys what I mean. Alright, so hey guys, so we're currently here in Streamlabs OBS, whatever version, 0.17, blah blah blah. Alright, and I'm sorry, but this is my third time recording this, because the first time I recorded it before my video, and the second time I recorded it after the video, or like during the video, and it kind of got messed up. So this third time's a charm. The audio got messed up previously, so let's do this time. So yeah, so I use a Logitech C920. I'm pretty sure I said that already. So first what you're going to want to do is get your thing ready, okay? You're going to want to get it, your new capture device. Boom. HD C920. Where we at? Boom. Okay, see, look. Hello. So this is with no lighting whatsoever. I mean, the sun is kind of out, so like that's kind of not fair for some of you guys who are in a dark room. But let me see if I can close these curtains. That really didn't do anything, but you guys can see from what I can see is that it's very noisy. When I say noisy, I mean like look at the wall right here, like look at all that like noise. That's what they call it. They just call it noise. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But yeah, and it's also in like kind of like a cramped box, I feel. Maybe not, but I feel like it is in like a slightly box. So, oops, wrong thing. So what you're gonna want to do is to make this webcam look amazing is get your lights, all right? Look, we have our side light, boom, we have a blue light, and then boom, we have a yellow filtered light in front of us, boom. So I don't know how much you guys can tell, but look how bright like the shining is on my face. I really don't like the way that looks, but you should usually have your lights facing the side of you, but I really don't have room for a side light right now, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. But anyways, this is what it looks like, all right? So then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to filters, all right? Filters, okay? The lights are the number one thing, so look how much it lit me up compared to before. Like, it got less noisy. I'm not gonna say it's completely gone, but look how less noisy it is versus here where it's just like, whoa, like it doesn't actually look bad here, but I'm just trying to think if you were in like say your bedroom facing just a wall, it would look way worse. I'm sitting in front of a window that doesn't have like good blinds covering it, so there is lights hitting me. But yeah, let's turn these back on. Oof. I record a lot of my gaming videos at night anyway, so even though that's on hold. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to filters. All right, you're gonna want to right click on this and go up to filters. All right, so this is gonna come up with a screen. I usually go for where is it? This one, scaling aspect ratio. Yes, it's this one. So basically what I do is I adjust the resolution of it. So I always put mine on 1280 by 720, and it basically makes it like a rectangle, like a little bit bigger, but like it's like a rectangle. You kind of have more space on the sides. Let's see if we go back. So it does kind of stretch out the quality a bit. I'm not gonna lie, it does stretch it out, as you can see. Like, let's make this a little bit smaller. So it stretches out the quality, as you can see. Scale filtering, I don't really know what these mean, but they do different things. I just have to figure out. You guys will probably just go look at that. But yeah, so I do that one, and I also use a color correction. So boom. I usually come down here first, and I usually give myself like a little tint. You're not going to want to go down here, because look at how that makes you look. You're going to want to do like a lighter filter, okay? Lighter filter. Okay? Due to the color correcting it, due to like putting one of these on, obviously you just want to adjust to whatever. You don't want that, so you're gonna want to like lighten it up. As you can see, like if you go all the way back to white, like it's just all messed up. So yeah, I'm already in like something that messed it up, so there's no turning back once you do this. You have to delete it all the way over. Like you might get something, but yeah, you are really gonna have to delete it if you if you mess it up, because I do that all the time. So once you get it good, just don't even mess with it. I usually do like an orangey reddish filter due to my my hair. It has red in it. But yeah, this is just, I don't know. I'm rambling on about this now. And then you're gonna obviously edit just the contrast, brightness, saturation. See, since my light is facing directly my head, I've usually turned the brightness down just a little bit. But I don't know, guys. This is what you do, alright? You get lights and you put filters on it. This also works in OBS. There's also other filters, like you can do image mask blend, crop pad, gain. Some of these are for audio though, like a noise gauge for audio. I also throw in sharpness sometimes because, well, not that much, but because like sometimes my edges get separated. But yeah, guys, I don't really know. But look, we'll say this is like my finished product. It doesn't look that bad when it's like this small. You feel me? It doesn't look like, you can't even tell, like you can't see like how loud it is on the walls or nothing, because it's, look how small it is. Maybe if you're like, you know what I mean, it looks fine. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you get it to look better. We're gonna make this a little bit bigger because I'm gonna end off the video here. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much how you get your webcam to look better. Literally, lights are the #1 thing you really do need, are literally lights. Just lights, lights, lights. I don't know how much I can stress it. I will have these 2 lights linked down below. Turn it up, turn it down. You know, whatever makes it look good so the webcam is not struggling to find lights. But yes, guys, I have been rambling on now, and I'm going to end off today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. Your webcam or your video stream quality is going to upgrade with just 2 simple lights and a filter. Like, ain't that crazy? But yeah, guys, this has been Breezy. Subscribe down below if you are new. Like the video, and I'm going to keep coming out with some cool stuff. I also have a video idea that requires a lot of people, so yeah, I have to figure out how I'm going to do that. So stay on the lookout. New videos coming out probably next month since it's spooky season. And also, if you guys are still wondering about what it's like to work on a student production, I have a video coming out maybe Thursday. I did record it. Yeah, more on that when the video comes out. But yeah, guys, this has been Breezy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.